Welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to go over how to edit user thread color lists. I have our program already up on the screen. We will be doing this in PE Design 11, but it also works for Palette 11. Go up into the upper right hand portion of your screen, click on Options, scroll down to Options, and click on that. You'll get a box that pops up underneath the word Options on the left. Just under Customize, we'll click on Edit User Thread Chart and it will pop up the thread charts. This is the thread charts that's loaded into your software, and to the right of that is the user thread chart. We will go ahead and click on My Chart underneath the user thread chart. If you don't have one, you can create a new chart and you can name it whatever you would like to name. And it automatically gives you black and white. Now you can add to your color chart by selecting threads from the thread chart on the left hand part of this box. So we'll go ahead and add a couple by clicking on one and adding. Click and add. You can choose multiple brands to add to your thread chart. We'll do one more. Let's go here and add that one. And then as you can see, it's creating your thread chart. So you can go through all your thread and add them to your own specific thread chart so that you have it for when you are designing your designs in PE Design 11 or Palette 11. You can choose exactly what you have. Now you can certainly change these by moving them, the order. So if you want to put like all the pinks together, you can do that by arranging them that way. You can add new items. If you have a thread maybe that you don't know what it is, you lost the label or whatever, you can certainly click on New Item, and you can click on the scroll bar just to the right, choose a color that closely resembles your thread that you have. You can add it to your custom colors and click OK. You can assign it a code number. You can assign it a brand if you don't know, just whatever, unknown. And then you can put a description, maybe where you got it from, or grandma's thread or something, just some kind of description that is something that you're going to know and understand what that means, and click OK. And then the new item is created. You can also go ahead and edit that item. So maybe you found out what brand it was, and you can just name it. Or you can alter and change the thread color. Click OK and it will change it. If you don't want anything on in your chart, you can go ahead and click on it and remove it from your list. If you run out of that thread, you can go ahead and remove it from your list so that when you're designing, you know that you do not have that color and you won't use it. And then you certainly can delete the chart if you are no longer going to use that chart, or you want to make changes or start all over. You can delete the chart by clicking Delete Chart. It will ask you if you're sure you want to delete it. You can go ahead and click yes or no. If you have a color chart in a CSV file or a BTC or BTC2 file that you would like to import as a color chart, you can do that by clicking Import Chart. You will have the Import Chart screen for you to locate that file. Click on it and click Open, and then you can go ahead and follow the prompts to allow you to import that chart. If you belong to the Facebook group PE Design for Beginners, they have CSV files in there with thread charts. I'll put the link in the description box below for you to go into their file section and grab the thread chart that you would like to use and import, and you can import it here. Now let's go ahead and give our new color chart a test. We'll click on OK to get out, and then we will go ahead into text, and we will just do something here really simple. I'll make it just a little bigger here. And we will go ahead into our thread color here, and we will go down to show color palette. You click on the right hand side of the screen and you can see all the color charts available for us to use. I will find my colors, click on that, and it will show up all my colors that I have programmed into the software. So I will go ahead and choose something that I already have on hand. And that is how we edit user thread color lists and use our thread color lists in PE Design 11 and Palette 11. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be notified when future tutorials are posted. Thank you for watching.